how to use the compare feature in Credit Money Machine Web. Here we are in the Dispute Center, and as you already know, there are many times where we have a discrepancy between an account number, for example, let's say this one versus this one, which is the same, but this one has 3 stars, this one has 4. So we know as humans that this is the same, but it's not the same number, and by law the whole account number should be the same through the 3 credit bureaus. Also here we see a discrepancy in amount, and it could be also discrepancy in the date open, not in this case, but it could be. So in this case we have a discrepancy on the company that is written very similar in the creditor, and you can see that this one, or these two, are different than this one. And while the account could be the same, maybe the amount is different as well. Okay, so we have a simple solution to dispute these discrepancies in a way that is very clear for the bureaus, and that is using the compare column. Okay, using here you have some instructions, but basically what you do is to put the ones that you want to be compared in your letter. You're gonna put them with the same letter, one per each bureau, but the same letter for the ones that you want to compare. Could be 3 or could be 2. If 2 are correct and then there's only a discrepancy with Equifax, you may want to use AA and not AAA, but only these 2. Or here in this case we're going to use the 3 because we see discrepancies with these 2 related to the main one, so to speak. So that's it. Once you have that and you're gonna print them, just print them normally, and I'm gonna show you what is the result. But one more detail, and that is I'm gonna go to the template manager at this moment for a second to show you that in the generic initial dispute here we have this submerged field, which is item compare, and that comes from this one, dispute fields compare, and you can put it at the beginning of the loop or after the loop. I prefer at the beginning, but it could be put at the end. It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna go back to this dispute, and I'm gonna print. So I'm gonna print mark dispute, or in this case I can print display dispute. It doesn't matter because we only have selected 6. So I'm gonna click print, and we're gonna see the results right now. As you can see, it says here, also please check the discrepancies below and fix them so they are all the same, or delete the derogatory item. So in this case we are asking to basically delete the 3 of them, well, the 3 bureaus, or put them together. So in this case we see the discrepancy in account balance. Depending what are the discrepancies, the program automatically is going to select what is different, but at the same time obviously it has to put the basic stuff here. So if the date is different, it's going to show it, etc. If the opening date is going to show it automatically. So here we see the same account, but a discrepancy in the name and a discrepancy in the amount. Okay, and so basically this is the technique. It's completely automated, very easy to use. you only need to add that merge field, and here we have the compare column where you're gonna put the letters, one letter. We can put we have all the letters of the alphabet, but you're gonna do one letter per comparison of dispute. So as you can see, one, so B, 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 and if you have another one, will be C, 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 and another one will be D, D, D. And that's it, pretty much. So enjoy it, and thank you.